Hi there, Final Community. Quick video. It's another unboxing video. Got another record from the Paradiso Vinyl Club. So let's open it. I know what it is. I don't know what it sounds like, but they always announce it online what they're going to release. This is well back. Okay. What else is in there? Some notes. That's it. Like always, comes with a little note talking about what they'll release next time and what the artist that they have released now sounds like. That's it. I mean, nothing extra. The artist is Joe Goes Hunting, and it's a double-sided 7-inch, obviously, with a song called My Mind and Lion. Always comes in this plastic sleeve. I really enjoy this artwork. This is pretty cool. It's numbered limited edition. 165 out of 350. Joe Goes Hunting is a one-man group. Sort of what is it? Synthesizer, spacey guitars, and drum machines. So it's got a dreamy, dream pop sound, probably. It's standard black vinyl, but like you can see, I mean, it's got the artwork on the side, on one side, and the information on the other. Really like the packaging of these, supporting Dutch artists. It's always good. And I'll be checking it out. So this is sort of a dream pop thing. Next month apparently is going to be a all-female dreamy indie pop garage psych thing. Don't know what that's going to sound like, but it sounds interesting. Anyway, that's it. This is it. It's just a really, really short video unboxing of the new Paradiso Vinyl Club. Paradiso Vinyl Club 7-inch. Yeah. Take care. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.